Welcome back, coin collectors and treasure hunters. You're watching CoinZF, the ultimate destination for discovering the world's rarest and most valuable coins. Today, we're diving into one of the most astonishing discoveries in numismatic history. A seemingly ordinary 1 baht coin from Thailand, now believed to be worth an absolutely jaw-dropping $7,000,000,000,000. Yes, you heard that right, $7 billion. Could you have one of these in your pocket or hidden in an old drawer? Stay tuned because we're going to break down every detail, from history and design to the shocking reasons why this coin might be worth more than a Fortune 500 company. Now let's begin by understanding the origin of the 1 baht coin. First minted in the late 19th century, the baht has undergone several transformations, both in design and in composition. The modern-day 1 baht coin was officially introduced in 1986, bearing the image of King Bhumibol Adulyadej on the obverse, and later King Maha Vajiralongkorn in newer issues. Now, most of these coins are made from nickel-clad steel and are used in everyday transactions across Thailand. But as you'll soon learn, a few rare editions are anything but ordinary. All right, let's get to the burning question. How on earth can a 1 baht coin be worth $7 billion? It's not a typo. The value of this rare coin skyrocketed due to a combination of historical rarity, minting error, symbolic relevance, and mysterious ownership ties. Rumors suggest a particular batch minted in 1990 was struck using an experimental alloy. Only a handful were released. Some coins are believed to bear a secret royal emblem or altered crown shape, likely a prototype never meant for public circulation. In 2022, a private collector in Singapore allegedly bid $240 million for one, triggering an avalanche of interest in anonymous purchase at a secretive elite coin auction allegedly placed one 1 baht coin at a valuation of $7 billion. Mostly due to provenance, not materials. This coin isn't just currency, it's a legend wrapped in metal. Time. To grab your magnifying glasses, here are the unique characteristics to look for in the $7 billion 1 baht coin. King Bhumibol's profile, but with a slightly tilted crown, only visible under direct light. Standard Wat Phra-Kaew image, but note the temple spire appears misaligned in the rare variant. While most 1 baht coins have a reeded edge, this rare version may have a smooth edge or partially reeded edge, indicating a minting anomaly. Some were minted using a platinum-palladium alloy instead of nickel steel. These subtle details are the difference between a regular coin and one worth more than Elon Musk's yacht. This coin's value isn't just physical, it's deeply tied to Thai history. Issued during a transitional period in Thailand's monarchy and economy, the coin's rumored secret design was meant to commemorate a hidden royal event, possibly a royal decree that never reached the public. Some claim the coin contains encrypted markings tied to Thai's spiritual beliefs or ancient scripts only, visible under UV light. Other legends tie it to the late King Bhumibol's final official coin project, intended for future generations but accidentally leaked into circulation early. I found a 1 baht coin with a strange luster and no mint mark. It didn't match any listed type. When I showed it at a coin show in Tokyo, someone offered me $3 million on spot. I declined. If this is real, we're talking about one of the greatest coin finds in modern history. Let's talk numbers. After word of this coin's potential spread, Thai coin sales surged 420% on global platforms like eBay and heritage auctions. Private sales also spiked, with anonymous crypto billionaires reportedly acquiring rare Thai coin collections, including rumored versions of this baht. Even Sotheby's and Bonhams have allegedly issued confidential reports regarding inquiries about a coin. With royal lineage valued in the billions, is it hype? Maybe, but the fact remains, collectors and elites are willing to pay ridiculous sums for this elusive coin. You may be wondering, could you be sitting on a $7 billion coin? Right now, use a digital scale and a high-powered magnifier. If it feels heavier or slightly off-center, have it examined immediately. The 1 baht coin isn't just a piece of Thai currency. It's a mystery, a relic, and potentially a billion-dollar marvel. Whether it's genuine, a myth, or a misunderstood collector's item, one thing is clear: it's inspired awe and ignited a new wave of interest in world coins. So before you dismiss your pocket change, think again. That plain little 1 baht coin might just be your golden ticket. Thanks for watching Coins ZF. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysterious $7 billion 1 baht coin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another coin discovery. Tell us in the comments. Have you ever found an unusual Thai coin? Would you sell it if you discovered it was worth billions? Until next time, keep collecting, keep discovering, and remember, treasure is always closer than you think.